presentation, igigilid mo yun. Paano ko yun? Both sa gilid yan. So, dapat pantay siya. Hindi pantay. So, iguang ang edge mo. Paano ko yan? At yung tama. Ito, at siya, pareho kang space kayo. Papahin mo sa akin at siya. So, hindi ba ano? So, and then look, this is flat. This one is flat. Now, make sure, just be gentle.
Skip pa.
Balik naman ang estudyante ko na.
Inawag ka naman.
Now this one, the smallest one, let's try because it's going to be the same as the spaces that we have here. Okay, I'm going to show the edges. Yes, that's right. We have the same dimension. I mean, you see, we have the same size around. Okay, next presentation. Everyone look up. Pero ba kung sunod-sunod ang presentation nito kanino? Variation lang yan. Another day. Or siguro after 2 weeks. Or depende kung na-practice na itong aking other presentation. Ano nga may hapod ng material nito?
Pink power.
Anong aim? Anong pitutok doon sa pink power?